every shit test, because she tests you, she wants you to lose. Okitegera. Every cry, every drama, every test. Please, as a man, don't try to fold. Like, tovunama. Okitegera. Eri shit test, because that leads to lose respect. Okitegera. Pass them by staying calm. Okitegera. Be amused. Stay unbothered. You fail them, boom, kiba kiwedde. Omukazi zino ze gundi kwasinzira okubanga ayagala okuwa omusajja respect. Bibintu byasinzirako. Oba okitegera. Kati kakasa nti you don't fold. Like togwa mu katego. Oba okitegera. Kuba bo bwe batyo. Okitegera. Omukazi ayagala nnyo okusabumitinga, tebaagala ku leadinga because they can't handle pressure. Because leadership comes with pressure, comes with responsibility. They don't want to count. Women, they don't want to be accountable. Tayagala gwa ntika kikino gwa kirese no. Ye yagalanga buli kimu akitunuza gyoli kyovola baba singo maazo omwana bwalwala bejjako buvunanyizibwa. Omwana we yalwadde. Bwaba mutwala omwana wange ate n'amutwala. Obuvunanyizibwa bujja ate babwejjako bwejja. Okitegera. A woman, they crave a man who can dominate their chaos. And like with a calm authority. Mutuuze wansi mugatuulaawo. Mirebe wekyanga kwegamba byagwe sigala ng'oli mukkakamu. Oba okitegera. Ekyokubeera indecisive. This is equal to dry up attraction. Tosalawo ebintu you are not deciding. Okitegera. Take the lead and she will reset you for letting her man. Okitegera. Ye kenyini asobola like okuresetinga n'akomawo. Bw'obanga oli decisive like ng'oli indecisive tosalawo like oli awo totegeerekeka, attraction efa. Bo baagala omuntu aliidinga n'osobola okukontrolinga chaos we gw'aleeta oyo. Okitegera. Kuba nze mbagamba nti ku myaka 5 gye nzize nga nsomesa, mbagamba jangu joining classes zange osobola okuba ng'oyiga ebintu bineeno. Okitegera. So zino ze nkusomesaako zizimu ku harsh truth gwe z'otayagala kuwulira oba z'otatera kulaba mu bantu. Ensonga ey'okubiri, attraction has an expiry date as a woman. Attraction y'omukazi erina expiry date. The moment you stop being sexually desirable, she detaches emotionally. Kikyentegeeza, women want to be seen as sexual beings. You have to be sexually. Akadress ako. Mwana leero oli. Kwegamba bisexual. Never naisajja guli kyononefu. Yes. Ekyo kyayagala ekyo. Okitegera. She detaches emotion at the moment. No matter how deep love gy'abadde akuyinako oba love ebadde etya oba ofaanana otya oba weevuga. Abakazi when they are living tebabitunuulira. Kyova oyinza okwewuunya n'ogamba laba aleseewo omusajja omugagga n'agenda n'omunaku. Oli attraction ekyali ne kati yeeri expired. Kubanga you are not sexual. Okitegera. You are no longer desirable sexually. She detaches emotionally. Kubanga bw'obeera desirable sexually, like emotional bundye is stimulating because the emotional creatures. Okitegera. So looks power biki omukazi asigala ng'ali loyal, not memories zo spendinze naye. They don't care about that. Okitegera. She will never love you the same way you love her. Ekyo nkubulira nze nkyogera abakazi tebalina kwagala, abakazi beeyagala bonga bo, wabula gwakwagalako value gwe gy'oyina ng'omuntu. Okitegera. So love y'abasajja is equal to sacrifice. Kuba omusajja awaayo buli kimu. Kyovola nti omusajja bagezaako omuvaluinga ku biki by'ayina ye ng'omusajja. Oba okitegera. Ate love y'abakazi, they are opportunistics. Okitegera. Opportunists. Yeah. Kugamba ye awali opportunity waagenda. She loves what you are, not who you are. They love value kikyoli kyakwagalako. Okitegera. The moment you stop being that, she's out. Hypergamy will kick in there and then. Okitegera. Ensonga y'okulala, the moment she talks about, the more she talks about boundaries, the more toxic she is. Ye mukazi baba ina boundaries abeera toxic nnyo. Healthy women don't need to lecture you about rules. Okitegera. atandika okuteerawo rules nga gw'omanya okitegeera. Broken words weaponizes therapy okitegeera and speak to mask the functions. Action is equal to affirmations okitegeera. Bw'aba nga atandika okulecturinga ku rules ze, manya akulabanga muntu munafu ayagala kukudominatinga. Ensonga eddako, a woman will shame you for what attracts them. Ojja mulaba nga mukyala wa amaanyi naye ng'ekintu ekimumalamu aggwemu. Tubalaba abakazi babuukira baserebu ku stage nga obadde olowooza wa kabi, mutuufu n'akumalamu n'amaanyi oba okitegeera. They will say toxic masculinity okitegeera. But while they are dreaming about the guy who ignores them, hate the game okitegeera, until you be played on. Game ojja gihatinga ajja gamba kino masculine bana basajja bagira bwe bati biki ne bw'aba anoonya ate anoonya musajja leader, anoonya musajja wa buvunaanyizibwa okitegeera. So toxic masculinity ajja tabyagala naye ogenda okulaba ate bagoberera. Nze saagala balaasi, ogenda okulaba bapostinga bakola atya gye mikwano gye kati n'ogamba. So onyolo kitegeera nti omukazi ensonga endala nti ali addicted eri attention. Attention is her currency. Segera likes, comment, DM, kumuwaana biki bwe bityo eya attention y'abakazi okitegeera. It's how she measures her worth. Wamanya nti wa bbeeyi. Comment biki banange oli wakabi banange nga wakula bulungi bwe bati abakazi bwe bameasuringamu worth yaabwe. If you date a woman glued to spotlights, she will never be really yours. Are addicted in social media as that know that she belongs to the street, she's not yours okitegeera. If she glued to spotlight, boom kaboom kabeera kabaya. Women feel fast and think later. That's why women, they correct their mistakes using logic. There is a post I posted recently ngegamba nti omukazi yabadde ali mu kwejjusa for divorcing her husband and she blames the husband for moving on quickly. So narcissists, they are like that. They want to move on and they see you there suffering. They don't want you to move on. Briefly, bagala, their life should be, your life resolve around them. So emotional controls her sexuality, loyalty, and even the memory. But if you can't stay at that emotion, you will lose her. She will lose her own mind. So oinotegeera nti abakazi logic rarely drives her decision. Logic takes over and bagamba, when you're talking to a woman, you don't talk to her in a logical way. Talk to her in an emotional way, because that's how they understand. Tell her, let's go have ice cream. Let's go in the movie. Let's go in the cinema. There she understands you. But without that, you're a boring creature. Number eddako, she wants a man that can brag about, you know. If your name does not raise her status among her friends, she's slowly checking out the better man she shows off, not hides. I'll tell you this, you can date a woman for 5 months, 1 year, and she loves you secretly, and that man she loves publicly. So which of the two, where do you belong? Are you the public man or you are the private man? Because women get their respect from their husband. That's why they are addicted to social media people, abantu abayina amanya oba okitegeera erinnya lyo. If you are not adding value, like your name doesn't add value to her, hypergamy will kick in. She will keep on measuring you to other people. You understand? So her words means nothing without her action. She will say she loves you and then it takes the X. So she will say you are different and chances, and then she started chasing drama. You have to understand, watch her behavior and ignore the words. That is how a woman communicates in reality. In Ambe Sembayo, she gets bored fast. Consistency is good. If you are predictable, that is death. She wants an emotional stimulation, not stability. Master unpredictability if you want longevity in a relationship. You get. Finally, this is a bonus. If she falls in love with you, you make her feel. You have to know that. She falls in love, how you make her feel. So, how she falls in love with you is how you make her feel. So, you are not resumed, you are not not your bank account, not your body oba biki byonna byonna ebyo byonna tebikola makulu ku ye. Make her feel like a woman and she will treat you like a king. You get? So I told you she falls in love with the way you make her feel. This is based on your action, how you respond, how you act as a man, the masculinity that will stimulate her. You get? So your frame is everything. Only that matters. Looks helps, money helps, but if your mental frame collapses under her pressure, she's gone. Women, they are not attracted to men kwegamba nga ali awo ng'asobola omucontrollinga mentally, asobola okumuchallenginga oshegeera. Then you are the rock or the regret oshegeera. Kwegamba yeetaaga omuntu oyo asobola omucontrollinga because women are like fire. If the fire breaks out, you can control it. You get? If she never you need to know this, women are never single. You get? Women are never single. There is a guy always in the plan, the guy always in the process. That's why women, they move on so fast than men. Even if she's alone, there is a guy. She's entertaining that man. She the man like someone who always gives her validation. She gets attentions from. That's why some women are getting addicted to social media. Women have more option than men. Don't believe the Purity Act. Hypergamy Oshegera is always stays at hypergamy, is a standby. So if you are not act like the first choice, then you're going to suffer. Never date a woman who settles. You get? If you're not her first choice, then you are just a regular guy. They're going to replace you quickly. You get? So you will feel that everything is not the same. The tone, the sex, the energy. You get? So you'll be obsessed with her or you walk away. Oba sekyo yajja funa omuntu gw'ateeka waawo. Nze ekyo nkubuulira. So jangu joining classes zange osobola okuba ng'oyiga ebintu bino. Ne bw'onoba tokikoze my brother, ne jampa weeziri. Following twegeko mu video eddako. Enamba yange eyo gy'olaba wansi. Jantwogere one on one. I will charge you. See you in the next video. Like and follow for more.